Here's a story tracing the fascinating history of ice cream. Title: Chasing the Sweet Dreams, A Journey Through the History of Ice Cream. Part 1, The Origins of Frozen Delights. In the ancient civilizations of China, Egypt, and Persia, people enjoyed frozen treats made from snow, fruit juices, and honey. These early versions of ice cream were simple yet refreshing, enjoyed by royalty and commoners alike.
Part 2, The Renaissance of Frozen Desserts. During the Middle Ages, Arab traders introduced a recipe for a creamy, frozen dessert made from milk, sugar, and flavorings to Europe. Italian chefs refined this recipe, creating what we now recognize as gelato. Part 3, Royal Indulgence and Innovation. In the 17th century, ice cream gained popularity among European royalty, who employed chefs to create elaborate frozen concoctions flavored with exotic fruits, spices, and even alcohol. The development of ice houses and ice cream molds allowed for the production of larger quantities of ice cream, making it more accessible to the wealthy elite. Part 4, From street carts to parlors. By the 18th century, ice cream had become a beloved treat enjoyed by people of all social classes. Street vendors sold scoops of ice cream from carts, while ice cream parlors began to emerge in cities across Europe and the United States, offering a wide variety of flavors and toppings.
Part 5. The Industrial Revolution and Mass Production. The invention of the hand-cranked ice cream churn in the 19th century revolutionized the production of ice cream, making it easier and faster to whip up batches of this frozen delight. With the advent of refrigeration and mechanical refrigeration techniques, ice cream production became even more efficient, paving the way for mass production and widespread distribution.
Part 6, The Rise of Commercial Brands. In the 20th century, iconic ice cream brands like Häagen-Dazs, Baskin-Robbins, and Ben & Jerry's emerged, each offering its own unique flavors and marketing strategies. Ice cream became not just a dessert but a cultural phenomenon, with flavors inspired by everything from movies and TV shows to pop culture icons. Part 7, Innovations and Trends. Today, ice cream continues to evolve with the introduction of new flavors, ingredients, and production techniques. From artisanal small batch ice cream made with locally sourced ingredients to dairy-free and vegan options, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Epilogue: A sweet legacy. As we savor each spoonful of creamy goodness, let us remember the rich history and cultural significance of ice cream, a dessert that has delighted taste buds and brought joy to people around the world for centuries. Whether enjoyed in a cone on a hot summer day or as a decadent dessert at a special occasion, ice cream will always hold a special place in our hearts and memories, reminding us of the simple pleasures in life and the sweet dreams that bring us together.